Mr. Speedy Locksmith of Sioux Falls. We are located at 819 South Marion Road in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. We are across the street from Woody's Grill. If you are in or around Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and you need a locksmith service, please check out Mr. Speedy Locksmith of Sioux Falls. We are a full-service locksmith offering automotive, residential, and commercial services. So whether you need a key copied or a lock rekeyed, please check out Mr. Speedy Locksmith of Sioux Falls. When you stop in at our store, you can enjoy a cup of coffee in our waiting room while you're getting your lock rekeyed. Remember, we are here to save you time and money.